Hello, everybody. I'm just waiting for the live. Hi, everybody. Welcome to my Freedom Friday. I'm so excited to spend time with you. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I always love to see all the different places we are connecting from. And while you're typing at that, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever thought about what life would look like if you didn't have to retire? Imagine waking up on Monday morning, sipping your coffee slowly. There's no rush, and knowing your income is coming in, whether you work that day or not. Imagine having the choice to work or to spend the day with your kids, or take a midweek break without worrying if there's enough money in the bank. That is exactly what we are talking about today. How I built a business that pays me for life, and why I truly believe that no retirement is necessary. Let's be real for the moment. Most of us were taught the same plan. Go to school, get a job, work hard for 40 years, save as much as you can, and then retire on half of your usual income. Right? But let me ask you honestly, how many of you have ever worried that you won't have enough saved up for retirement? Type yes in the comments if that is you. Today we're addressing a topic that can completely change the way you think about retirement. For those who don't know me, my name is Lynette Badenhorst. I'm from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. And for the past 9.5 years, almost 10 years, I'm helping entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals build recurring income online without selling a thing. I show people how to create financial freedom using a hybrid financial platform so that they can live a debt-free, stress-free, and live life on their own terms. Type freedom if you're watching live, or replay if you're catching this later. I'd love to welcome you. And a special welcome to my guests online. Shout out to all of you. The usuals, Belinda, Peter, Cheryl, thank you for your support, guys. It is much appreciated. I trust that you will enjoy the time with me and get some insightful tips and information that can help you make better decisions about your financial future. But back to our topic, no retirement necessary. How I built an online business that pays me for life. I really remember the moment I realized our retirement was going to work. It wasn't going to work. Our children had just finished university, and my husband and I were starting to plan the last 15 years of our working lives. We had a clear picture: work hard, save diligently, and retire comfortably. He always said to me that we will have a good retirement. And then life threw a curveball at us. Within a single year, both of us were retrenched, 15 and 20 years before retirement age. But we trusted the financial advisors who told us we'd be fine. They said we would receive a 10% annual increase in our severance income, so we tried to breathe and carry on. And then, just as we started to adjust, another curveball came. The stock market crashed in 2008. Almost overnight, our severance package was wiped out. We were left with just 918 Rand per month in income, no jobs, and a mountain of financial responsibilities. We tried everything to earn an income. Eventually, we turned to what we could do with our hands, selling stained glass at craft markets in Pretoria. We did that for almost 10 years, or more than 10 years, and survived. But although we loved it, it became clear that as we got older, this was no longer sustainable. We needed something different, something that could produce unlimited income without relying on our physical strength or long hours of labor. That's when I was invited to the launch of a brand new business model in 2016, Dewpoint. It sounded very exciting because it allows average South Africans to create an unlimited income without selling any financial products themselves. I like it. No selling, no recruiting, just sharing information. It all made perfect sense to me, but if I'm honest, I still had my doubts. Talk is cheap, and at the end of the day, it is money that puts food on the table. I kept asking myself, will they really deliver on these big promises, or is it just another system that sounds good but doesn't work? So I decided to test it for myself. I registered, got started, and waited to see what would happen. Then came my very first month's income. And let me tell you, that was the moment I got hooked. I had covered my full product payment from my income I've earned through the system, and about 10 times more than it. From that point onwards, I had to take $2.99 out of my pocket again. Never, because the system paid for itself. That was my proof, and the moment I realized this wasn't just talk, it was real. And if it worked once, I knew I could make it work again and again and again. My belief turned into action, and my action turned into results. But is it possible to achieve the financial goals they've projected? So I started slowly, doing it on the side, and continue running the craft markets. 18 months later, I watched Patrick and Pumi receive the first free car from Dewpoint. Free car. That day, something inside me shifted. I realized we had the same system. We had the same opportunity. We had the same 24 hours. The only real difference between me and the people who were achieving massive results, they were simply talking to more people than I was. That's the only reason. This realization hit me hard, and it completely changed my perspective. I made a decision right there and then that something had to change. I promised myself that the next car will be mine. And guess what? The next car is mine. I wasn't going to sit back and watch others succeed while I stay stuck. So I made a commitment. I would use the incredible power of social media to build my own income. Everybody warned me it's never going to work. But I wanted to show them, and I was right. I've built my entire business on social media. It allowed me to connect with as many people as I possibly could. Social media, in my opinion, is the perfect tool for this. It allows you to share your message, your story, and your solution with people all over the country, even while you are at home in your slippers. From that day forward, I started showing up differently. I talked to more people, I shared more information, and most importantly, I stayed consistent. And that consistency is exactly what started creating momentum and results in my business. 2 years later, I was standing on the stage receiving my own free car. Yes, the second free car. Something I'm deeply proud of today. It taught me one of the most powerful lessons of my life. The dew point system works, but the results depend on how you use it. But let's share a quick reality check with you. The official statistics are shocking. Most people retire with less than 500 Rand saved for their entire retirement. But let's be generous and say you were one of the few who managed to save R1 million, which, let's be honest, is already a massive challenge for most South Africans today. Now imagine putting that R1 million into an account earning 6% interest. Do you know what that works out to? 60,000 per year. That's just 5,000 Rand per month. Can you live on 5,000 Rand per month? For most households, the answer is a loud and painful no. And this is exactly why so many South Africans are forced to depend on their children, rely on government grants, or keep working well past the age of 65. Not because they want to, but because they have no choice. But here's the harsh truth. Right now, over 25 million South Africans are jobless. And those who have jobs are often earning just enough to survive, with very little left to save for the future. That is the reality we are facing. And if nothing changes, that is the reality most people will face in retirement. But here's the good news, and I want you to hear this clearly. There is another way. I want to repeat it. There is another way. You don't have to settle for working until you can't anymore. You don't have to live with that anxiety about outliving your money. You can start creating an income that grows every month, regardless of your age or your background, and build something that gives you financial breathing room now and security later. Here's what I eventually discovered, and it completely changed my financial future. I didn't need another job or side hustle. What I really needed was a plan to build recurring income. Now, recurring income was a concept I had never heard of before. I grew up in a time where the path was simple. You worked hard for 40 plus years, your job provided a pension, and that pension took care of you until both spouses had passed on. That's exactly what happened to my father and my father-in-law. Their jobs were their security blanket. But our economy has changed. The economy is shrinking, and very few jobs still offer pensions. Even when a pension is provided, it often does not nearly cover enough, cover your expenses, leaving you to find a way to fill the gap yourself. Times have surely changed. We are living in the 21st century, and the truth is, what worked in the last millennium simply doesn't work anymore. The old model, work hard for 40 years, retire on a pension, and live comfortably, has collapsed. But here's the good news. This era also gives us powerful tools to build income online. For the first time in history, we can reach thousands of people from our phones, work from anywhere, and create income streams that aren't limited by time, place, or even age. For example, social media platforms. Today we have access to platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp and lots of others that let us share information instantly with hundreds or even thousands of people for free. You don't have to be a tech expert to spend a fortune on advertising. You can start talking to your network of connections today, right from your phone. Secondly, automation and online systems. We now have tools that can send information, follow up with prospects, and even handle payments automatically. This means you can build your income on the side, even while you are working, spending time with the family, or sleeping. And thirdly, virtual presentations and Zoom. Gone are the days of booking venues, printing flyers, and traveling to meetings, or hosting home parties. Today, you can easily attend or invite others to professional presentations online, no matter where they are in the country. This is such a powerful solution for the times we are living in. That is why I was so grateful to discover a legal proven system that allowed me to build recurring income. Income that comes in every month, whether I work that day or not. This system didn't just offer me hope, it offered me a real practical solution. And it's not just me. Right now, it's helping tens of thousands of South Africans change their financial future. And they are from all walks of life. But nobody ever taught us about recurring income in school. But once I understood its power, I knew this was the answer to our financial challenges, both for today and for retirement. So what is recurring income? It's money that comes in every single month, whether you work that day or not. It's money that keeps flowing even when you are sick, on holiday, or deciding to slow down. And isn't that exactly what we all need in retirement? An income we can count on no matter what. Recurring income is the opposite of a salary. A salary stops the moment you stop working. Recurring income, on the other hand, keeps coming in. And if you're building it correctly, it can even grow month after month. When I discovered this, it was like a light bulb went off in my head. I realized I didn't just want a recurring income. I needed it. I wanted to retire with dignity, have peace of mind, and not be a financial burden on my kids one day. With a salary, if you stop working, the money stops too. With recurring income, it keeps coming in month after month. And here's how I built mine. I chose to partner with DealPoint. Their FSP number is 50318. You can go and check it on the FSCA's website. DealPoint is a fully licensed, approved by all the financial regulators, including the FSCA, and running for almost 10 years. I built what we call a distribution channel. Instead of selling products, I share information, which is much easier. Every time a product is paid for in my channel, I earn 55 Rand, not once, but every single month that product stays active. That might sound small at first, but imagine 10 products, then 50 products, then 500. Suddenly, you have an income that grows every month and never retires. If you would like me to show you what that kind of growth could look like, type yes in the comments right now. Now here's where most people miss it. They think the safest thing they can have is a job. But the job only pays you for your time. The moment you stop working, the money stops too. I've experienced that. I had to change the way I thought about money. And when I did, my life changed. I'll be completely honest with you. My journey was not an overnight success. When I first registered, I was skeptical. But after receiving my very first month's income, something clicked. I realized this company wasn't just talking big, they were the real deal. Within my very first month, I already recovered the full cost of my product payment. So anybody who tells me they don't have money, don't see the system. Because if you're serious, you can make it work. I did. In fact, I'm running an online business that funds itself. And since that first month, I've never had to pay that R299 out of my pocket again. The business pays for itself every single month. And here's the part I love. For the same product payment, not only do I enjoy the benefits of a tax-free investment that saves me money every month, but I also get 3 incredible daily services for free. Medical, legal access, and road and home assist. Medical and legal access gives you unlimited telephonic consultations with qualified doctors and lawyers, plus roadside assistance and emergency assistance at home, all included for free with every product in the DealPoint Wealth Creation System. You can access these services anytime, giving you peace of mind and real value every month. I can even increase and decrease my tax-free investment as I wish. So even before I am building a big income, I was already saving money and receiving real value. And there are lots of value in every single product that's on offer through this unique system. But it gets better, because this system doesn't just save me money, it gives me the opportunity to build an unlimited recurring income that I can one day pass on to my children. You can't pass your job on to your children, but you can pass this business and everything you've done on to your children. That means even after I'm gone, the income I've built will still take care of my family. That is a legacy worth building. Now let me be real with you. It wasn't all smooth, plain sailing. I got from rank 1 to rank 3 my second month, and I was thrilled. And then I got stuck at rank 3. But I was still earning about 5,000 Rand a month while I was stuck, which was almost double that I earned while I was working as a public relations officer at the school. But after battling for almost a year to get from rank 3 to rank 4, I broke through that barrier, and then everything changed. In the next 9 months, I shot from rank 3 to rank 9. Now at rank 9, you're going on a 5-star family holiday every year for the rest of your life. And then 10 months after that, I reached rank 11. Guess what you get at rank 11? A free car. And yes, the second free car was mine. And today, I'm proud to say that I'm one of the top producers in the business. I drive a car that I've received for free. I take my entire family on a 5-star international holiday every single year. And the best part, I have built a channel that pays me every single month for 115 months. The next month, October, it will be the 116th month. Whether I work that day or not, I'm getting paid. This is why I always say there's no retirement necessary, because my income has become my retirement plan. I'm not just saving for the future. I'm living it now and securing it for my family for generations to come. So what does this mean for you? It means you don't have to spend the next 20 to 40 years worrying about saving enough. You can start today and build your own recurring income step by step with my help. Here's how simple it is. First step, comment freedom below and I'll send you my free guide, Escape the 9 to 5 Trap. my online business blueprint. Step 2, read through the guide and watch the short videos I'll send you. They explain exactly how the system works. Step 3, start sharing information. No selling, no chasing, no stock. That's it. Simple steps that anyone can follow. But let's wrap this up with this thought. You don't have to fear running out of money. You don't have to wait until you're 65 to live freely. You can build a business that pays you every single month for the rest of your life. So if you're ready to take control of your future, comment freedom right now. Let's get you the blueprint and help you start building an income that outlives you. But I want to remind you, if you're finding value in these Freedom Friday sessions, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery on YouTube. That's where I share weekly insights, tools and real strategies to help you escape the 9-to-5 trap and build recurring income that gives you freedom. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the bell so that you never miss a session. That way, even if life gets busy, you'll always have access to practical step-by-step guidance on your journey to financial independence. But there's more, like the old TV ads. Let's talk about the super lucky number 7 incentive. How about getting 7,000 Rand cash this week? For 18 weeks, DuPont is running a 7,000 Rand weekly cash draw from the 1st of September until the 4th of January 2026. By having your product paid and registering others who also pay that week, you could earn multiple entries into each week's draw. The best part, while building entries, you are also building a reliable monthly income stream with free training and support. WhatsApp lucky number 7 to 082-783-5661 so that I can send you the full details. Please like, love, and follow me on my Facebook page, and remember to visit my blog on www.lynettebadenhorst.com/blogs. I spell my name LINNETTEBADENHORST.com for more of the same topics. Thank you for joining me on this Freedom Friday. I hope you are leaving today feeling inspired and ready to take action. Recurring income is your ticket to freedom, security, and flexibility. Start small, stay consistent, and watch it grow over time. Remember, you can both earn and save money with DuPont. Even setting aside just as little as 100 Rand a month can grow around 18 to 20,000 Rand over 10 years in a tax-free investment. Meanwhile, with DuPont, you have the same 10 years to build a growing monthly income on the side. The truth is, the 10 years will pass regardless. So why not use that time to create a stronger, more secure future for yourself with DuPont? Your journey to financial freedom starts with one decision today. Make that decision, take action, and I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. If this message inspired you, share this live with someone who needs hope. I'll see you next Freedom Friday, next Friday on Freedom Friday. Same time, same place, as we keep building a future where no retirement is necessary. Bye for now.